Septic tank cleaners provide an essential service. They drain septic tanks in areas without municipal sewage. Some cleaners also repair and maintain tanks, but at this Gauteng-based site, they focus on emptying them. Before leaving the yard, everything on the truck is checked. The engine is warmed up and the PTO, the power takeoff, is checked. Additionally, vehicles are always checked and ready for any emergency or job. The power takeoff gets its name from how it works. It draws power off the truck's gearbox to run the system that sucks the waste out of the septic tank. Some trucks use a hydraulic pump mounted at the back. The waste is sucked through this intake point. Levers are opened and closed to create a vacuum to either suck up or extract the waste. A standard suction pipe is 30 meters long, but it can be extended to 80 meters in length due to the outstanding performance of the vacuum pump. They are usually 2 to 4 inches in diameter. An on-site safety routine is followed. Parking away from the septic tank, the cleaner walks the site, checking for any obstacles like tree branches or rocks that could damage the truck. He also checks for muddy ground. Once the truck is full and its weight increases, it may sink and get stuck in muddy ground. The pipe is lowered into the tank and the cleaner makes sure all the valves are closed. With the engine idling, he pushes the PTO down and the tank is filled with air to create a vacuum. When it's full, the valve is open and the waste is sucked into the truck's tank, a bit like when you blow air into a balloon and then let the air escape. The cleaner checks the gauge to see if the truck's tank is full and closes the valves. Then he inspects the septic tank to see if it is empty. If it's empty, he packs up, ready to take the waste to the designated disposal area. If not, he'll leave the pipe on site, go to the dump site and return to finish the job. Finally, he writes out the job card stating how many liters have been emptied and, once again, checks all the valves are closed. Waste will leak onto the road if the valves are left open. A matric and Code 10 driver's license is needed for this career. On-the-job training will always be given. Safety is very important because the waste releases toxic gases. Septic tank cleaners need to be able to withstand the strong smells, which they get used to. This job is in demand because there are thousands of septic tanks throughout South Africa.